Welcome. In front of me is DELL Latitude 5400, and in this video I will show you how to use on-screen magnifier or zoom on your laptop screen. To enable screen zooming, you have to use the combination of two keys, Windows and plus. Now, the magnifier bar will appear on your screen and the zoom will enable. To change the zoom level, you can use plus and minus icons on the magnifier. To reset the zoom level, you can use the following two icons. To read text from your screen, click the play icon.
Learn about this picture.
And using this icon lets you select an area of your screen from which you want the reader to start reading.
Learn about this picture.
In settings, you can change the speed of the magnifier by moving the slider either to the left to decrease it or to the right to increase it. You can also change the voice of the reader by expanding this list and selecting the voice that you like. You can go to settings from here by clicking this icon, or you can open the start menu, go to settings, go to accessibility settings, scroll down to magnifier, open it. To enable it, switch the toggle to the right. In this menu you can also change the zoom level and the zoom increment. And what's most important, you can change the view of the magnifier. The view that you just seen was the full screen view. Now the docked view looks like this. You can change the docked magnifier by moving this bar beneath it, and the lens view looks like this. Each of the magnifier views has its own settings. To see the settings, you have to select the view, then go to the view section, and here, for example, for the docked magnifier, you can change the following settings. By default, your magnifier follows your mouse pointer, keyboard focus, text cursor and narrator cursor. For example, if we uncheck the mouse pointer, the magnifier will stop following it. Now let's go to the full screen magnifier and see the settings for it in the view section. As you can see, we can also make it stop following one of these options, and we also have the choice to keep the mouse pointer or the text cursor either within the edges of the screen or centered on the screen. If we make the mouse pointer centered on the screen, the magnifier will start looking like this. As for the lens magnifier, we can change the height and the width of it to apply the magnifier to our needs. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.